Hey Pisces, welcome to my channel. Revolution. Welcome guys, welcome my pixies. I'm so happy to have you here, to all the new as well as the old subscribers. This is a timeless reading for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. So let's see what is the spell that universe has you under, Pisces, currently. What is the spell that universe has Pisces under right now? What's going on with Pisces? Please tell me. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. What spell is Pisces under right now? My pixies. What spell are my pixies under right now from the universe? Ooh, okay. That's a lot of cards, which I'm not gonna take. Alright, Pisces, you want to talk a lot. I can see that in the cards. Ooh, okay, there you go. Just one card. Okay, so the card is, ooh, my goodness, no wonder you want to speak so much. It's about your life's purpose after all, Pisces. Literally, Pixies, you're focusing on your life purpose. And there's a sense of an emergence of a new you when it comes to this purpose. Okay, there's new adventures, new there's a trip that you have gone on recently that has changed you in some way. Okay, this could have been a trip to a forest, to a natural site, okay, where you were maybe sitting under a tree, you know, just looking at the horizon, and you just, there's a sense of purpose that is rising up from within you, okay? And this is something that the universe has a spell on you on right now. It's like you are under the spell of the universe when it comes to your life's purpose, okay? And there's a sense of urgency when it comes to that. So beautiful. Look at that. Strength, okay? So you're dealing with this with a lot of strength, confidence, and you are trying to be adaptable, the adaptable, mutable water sign that you are. You're trying to adapt to this new sense of purpose that is rising up from within you. Maybe you might be taking some space from your friends, your family members, okay, just to realign yourself with your life's purpose right now. And there's no harm in doing that. This is something that the universe is asking you to do, okay, my loves? So let's see. In case there's anyone who's criticizing you for being too aloof because you're too busy for them, I just feel like someone nagging at you for taking your time basically. And I would say that, you know, there's nothing wrong in you focusing on your life right now, okay, my loves? So let's see. That's exactly what the universe wants from you anyway. What is it that Pisces needs to focus on right now? What is it that universe wants Pisces to focus on right now? Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. Wow, look at that, Pixies. That's Two of Wands, okay? That's about making, like, that's about contemplating about whether you want to take a decision or not, okay? But it's like this girl has a backpack and a map in her hand, and she's like ready to go on that adventure, okay? She's definitely planning for it. So this can be you being a man and still be a she in the card, okay? The gender on the card doesn't matter. It's about the energy. So I feel that you are ready to take a decision when it comes to your life's purpose, okay? There's something that has ignited you, okay? Ignited you. And I'm telling you, this is definitely meant to be your life's purpose. In case you were wondering, is it something you were doubtful about it, basically, I think this is a clear message that whatever it is that you're pursuing right now, which is giving you that sense of urgency, do it. Do it. This is going to be something that you leave a legacy for, okay? That's also what I'm getting, Pisces. Beautiful. Tell me what else is it that Pisces needs to focus on right now? I'm also seeing you need to take some time out in nature in case you haven't, in case you're planning to shift. I'm also seeing it's a good time for you to do that, okay? But it's like you're ready to work as hard as possible to do this, okay? It's like you don't want to take any shortcuts, Pisces, anymore. Maybe you were hanging out with people who always wanted to take shortcuts, or things like that. So you have tried to stop surrounding yourself from such people, is what I'm getting. The next card is Page of Wands in reverse. See, as I said that. People who are nagging at you, throwing tantrums at you, with the Queen of Swords. Wow, this is the first time I'm getting this card from this deck, okay? How beautiful this card is. So this is the Queen of Swords. So yes, you have completely taken your emotional nurturing energy back, and finally you are becoming this person who does not take anyone's bullshit, okay? You truly see through this person who's trying to create drama in your life just because you have recognized what your life's purpose is, okay? This is a person who might try to say that, you will never make it, that you don't deserve that kind of a, like, not directly, but in a way, subliminally trying to take away from your confidence because you are being so busy, because you are focused on your life, okay? So it has made you become truly cold towards them, and they can't believe your transformation anymore. Pisces, they can't believe your transformation. It's like they feel like, you have completely transformed yourself into a whole new person. That's what they are feeling, and that you have become extremely calm, cool and collected. It's like you're not giving them any reaction, okay, but you're just giving them like the rational truth, or just giving them like exactly the answer that they need, but nothing extra, okay? And that's what it's making this person throw out a lot of fit and tantrum, okay? Because they feel like you won't need them anymore because you are going your way, okay? But through you, the universe is trying to teach this person a lesson to grow the F up, right? I mean, what else? Like, this person tries to throw tantrums whenever you talk about your life's purpose, okay? This person tries to take a jab at your life's purpose whenever you talk about it, trying to make you feel less confident about you being able to make it, okay? Which has caused you to grow cold on them, okay? And which is the right decision, I feel, because this person needs to grow up, okay? And focus on their own abundance as well. So Temperance in reverse, Pisces. Yeah, so you are finally recognizing that by seeing through this person's behavior, this person kind of took away your sense of peace, calm, okay, and balance of the relationship. This person always tries to spoil it, and it's like you have grown tired of this person trying to do this all the time, trying to create imbalances. Maybe this person tries to get you back in their life and then use substances in order to keep you with them, okay? Cross watcher, this could be for you as well. A Pisces could be doing this to you. Take it how it relates, guys. But yeah, this could be a Sagittarius, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius that you're dealing with, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay? Specifically Aries twice here. So tell me, what is it that universe wants Pisces to focus on according to their life purpose? So Spirit's saying for you to use a logical approach towards this person, okay? Using a logical approach towards this person, not getting pulled back in by the devil into a relationship that is not worth it, okay? Two of Cups here. So this is talking about you self-reflecting, okay? In this deck, the Two of Cups is about reflecting on yourself, on how this person has made you feel less than when you're not. You're perfectly alright, Pixie, okay? You're perfectly alright. There's nothing wrong with you. You are the most beautiful person in the whole zodiac sign. You know why? Because you have mastered the element of water. Pisces, you have all the zodiac signs within your sign. Do you recognize your own value just by what I'm saying right now? It's like you have had the experience of all the signs before you, and that's how you are here as a Pisces in this incarnation, okay? That's a different thing, that people around you do not recognize that. Your giving nature, your nurturing nature, okay? Your mutability, your adaptability to situations. People don't recognize that. But it's time you recognize that within yourself, so that the divine can bring in someone that is exactly for you, who matches that vibration. Okay, this person, maybe they try to always be impulsive. Okay, this is a fire sign heavy I'm getting. Okay, a Sag specifically. Okay, but yeah, this is someone who definitely wanted to throw fits and tantrums at whatever it is that you were trying to achieve in your life. Okay, what is it that universe wants Pisces to focus on right now? Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. This person kind of tried to get you very, very impulsive, or presently is trying to get you very worked up, so don't let them do that. Okay, don't let them make you bitter or cold. But yeah, it's important that you have your bullshit detector on with this person, because this person, I don't know how this person wants to definitely take control of your life. Okay, but they are very immature, so I don't know how they are planning to do that. So the next card out, my loves, is Fool. Okay, this is you taking a leap of faith. This is literally you taking a leap of faith. Okay, and it's stepping into a completely new territory that you do not have any idea about, but it's something that's calling from inside you. Okay, it's something that is pulling you towards it. So it's time that you move towards it, my loves. It's time that you take that risk and move towards something without any expectations, is what I'm getting. Okay, it's like Spirit is paving a way for you to get out of this impulsive, rash energy, immature energy, to exactly a match to your energy, because this person wants to keep fooling around with you. That's what I'm getting. And it makes you feel very, very trapped in the situation, because this person constantly wants to fool around. Okay, especially when it comes to your looks. I don't know why I'm getting that. They constantly try to make you feel less confident about yourself. Okay, but this is this person's tactic to keep you hooked, to keep you addicted. I was getting that devil energy also over here. So yeah, I'm going to be using the Shaman's Dream Oracle to get an advice for you. Now let's see, what is the advice for you pertaining to this spread? But this says to focus on your map. Okay, on your compass. Carry your compass, your inner compass, with you. Okay, and take a leap of faith. Okay, because there is a decision that you're contemplating, but this is a decision that is definitely going to help you in raising your vibration towards your life purpose, which the universe wants you to be in that spell right now. Okay, about your life purpose. Give me an advice for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node pertaining to the spread. Give me an advice for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. Ooh. So look at that. First breath. I was telling you guys, there's an urgency to get to your life's purpose. Okay. And look at that. The next two cards are Galactic Mushroom. Maybe you're doing shrooms, Pisces, I don't know, or growing shrooms in your house. It's something regarding shrooms or hydroponics, aquaponics, aeroponics, something on those lines. You're growing herbs in your garden, or you're doing something with plants. Stars in the sky, limitless possibility. That is you, Pisces. That is your card. Limitless possibilities. So when you do that, the possibilities for you become limitless. Where's the other card? Yeah. This is the main advice for you. First breath. Beginner's mind. And look at that behind. That is Mars, Neptune. This is literally all the planets supporting you right now to take a leap of faith. Right? Just look at this card. I'm going to read this for you. It's also 21. You might be 21 years old when you're watching this, or 21st of the month you're watching this will be very significant for you. Let me read this for you, my loves. But yeah, the advice is to be confident in your new beginning. Okay, and lose any form of expectations that you have, okay, and go at it full force, right? First breath, a fresh start and renewed curiosity. Natural trust, beginner's mind. When the first breath card shows up for you, it is time to leave the old stories and tales behind. You have arrived. Take a deep breath and another. There is nothing else you need to do but take in the new world that is revealing itself around you. Trust your natural curiosity. Yeah? There is no need to dwell on how difficult the journey has been or how tight the passage to get to where you are now. Just take it all in and experience the awe and wonder of your arrival at this destination. Even if it is a familiar place you have come to many times before, try to experience it as if for the first time, for you are renewed and the old you is no longer your concern. Practice the beginner's mind, not labeling or naming what you see and experience. That situation that was so difficult only a few days ago, just be with it and breathe. You have already gone beyond it, have overcome and resolved it, even if no one else realizes this yet. Soon enough, they will, as you move on. Yes, Pisces, very important message for you here. Do not squander the power of first breath, giving the old narrative mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Use it for new beginnings, to animate a world you can play and create in. Do not underestimate the power of your breath and the magic of the word. Okay? So my loves, this is telling you to be like, embrace the new beginning in your life, okay? The first breath, the beginner's mind that you are coming into with this new project that you're really passionate about your life's purpose. This is definitely meant to be something that is in your life forever, for good, for leaving a legacy. So make sure that this person is someone that is teaching you on patience, on how to deal with immature people, but at the same time that you have already mastered this, you have already understood this person's strengths and weaknesses. So go with the flow and with the beginner's mind into a new territory that you have not even explored before, okay, because that is where your natural curiosity will thrive, okay? So thank you so much, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment below. That will be extremely helpful for the channel. And take care. Bye, Pixies. Peace.